Hello friends, today I am here to show you how to make a beautiful crochet necklace for which we will require some cotton thread or any silk thread. You can take whatever you like. So this is my thread which I am going to use, and I have strung some 4 beads on this thread, and we will also need some 8 beads. These are my colorful 8 beads. These are plastic beads. You can take any bead you like. And this is my crochet hook. This is number 5 and it is 1.1 mm. You can take a crochet hook according to the thickness of your thread and also according to the hole in the bead. The crochet hook should go through the hole in the bead like this. This is very important, that the hole should be big enough to accommodate the hook. So let's get started. You can string as many beads as you like your necklace to be. If you want your necklace to be very long, you can take that many beads. So there is no fixed number of beads to be taken. I am going to start with a slip knot like this. Okay, and now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3 and make a double crochet into the first chain like this. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now make one chain, pull the loop like this, hold it. Now take one bead on the hook like this. Now insert the hook into the loop and pull the loop through the bead like this. Now take 4 beads like this and make a chain with the beads like so. Okay, chain 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, not the chain with which you had locked the bead, the second chain, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Make a chain, pick a bead on the hook and through the loop and pull it through the bead. The bead is on the loop. Take 4 beads like this. Okay, and with the beads, with these 4 beads, chain 1. Again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Make a double crochet into the first chain like this and like this, and then make one more chain like this. Now these beads, the number of beads depends on the size of this big bead. If you are using a bigger bead, you will have to use more number of these 4 and if you are using a smaller bead, you may use just 3 of them. So the number of the bead, the size of the bead is totally your choice. Another bead 8 mm on the hook and pull it through the bead like this. Now take 4 beads and make a chain with the bead. Make 3 chains like this and make a double crochet into the first chain like this. Now it's time to pick up another bead. Pull the loop through the bead. Take 4 beads, make a chain, and like this you can go on making till you reach the desired length. You can use any thread, you can use any size of bead, and you can use any size of these small beads. You can use crystals if you like. That will give you a more glittering look. But right now I did not have the right crystals, so I'm using these black beads which I like very much. It's not that bad. So continue making this. Repeat the same process till you reach the desired length, and I'm sure you are going to end up with a beautiful crochet necklace. And I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching.